Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you my October 2020 Glossybox. First things first, I just have to acknowledge this. Packaging is everything. This is the Midnight Fantasy box. Now I do believe that they brought out two variations this month. I got the Midnight Fantasy, which is this gorgeous blue shade, and I did my eyeliner to, you know, match the occasion. And they did also bring out a purple box, and I believe that was the Enchanted something or another. I think the products were the same in both boxes, maybe just slightly different shades. But yeah, this is how the box looks this month. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to see what I got inside, please go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so when you open this up, as per always, we have the Glossybox booklet. Okay, so there's the other box. It's called Enchanted Spirit, and it's this gorgeous periwinkle shade. Now, we do get a sneak peek as to what we're going to get in next month's box, and oh my goodness, it looks beautiful. It says next month we'll be celebrating the magic of makeup, starting with a highly pigmented eyeshadow palette by Ell Xx with £29. It boasts 8 gorgeous shades that can be built up and blended together to create the perfect day to night look. That is right up my alley, so I well can't wait for that box. And as always, this booklet shows us, you know, what we get inside and gives us a little description about it. They have gone with this gold tissue paper and the navy blue sticker. So obviously they've gone with Enchanted Spirit and Midnight Fantasy for like a Halloween kind of thing to the box, I imagine. I'm just butchering this, ripping it all apart. And this is the contents. Okay, so first things first, we get this by the brand Bubble Tea. This is their Stardust Foam and Bath Powder in Rose, so I imagine it's going to obviously be rose scented. We actually got something very, very similar to this in our Look Fantastic box this month. It was also by Bubble Tea, I believe, but it was an Earl Grey. But this one feels different. This doesn't feel like salt, so I'm going to have to open this up and have a little look. Oh, what? This looks like sand. Firstly, I am overwhelmed when I open this up with the smell. It's pure rose. In my opinion, rose is Turkish Delight, so it's pure Turkish Delight. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Foam and Bath Powder. I've never heard of these. So this retails for £5.99, and it says create a mood boosting concoction to bathe in thanks to this mystical stardust. Ooh. Its uplifting rose scent will not only make you smell great but feel fabulous too. Simply sprinkle the foam and powder into a warm bath whilst the water is still running, then slip into your potion to absorb invigorating powers. So basically, by the sounds of it, it's going to turn me into a witch or something. But no, that smells unreal. I wonder if it's going to like bubble when it's in the bath. I don't know. But I'm getting a bath straight after this video, so I'm actually going to put it in and we shall see. The next thing that we got is by a brand called AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. What? Eye cream for face? It just must be an eye cream. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. Wait, what? I'm confused. We do only get 10 ml of product, so it is a sample size. This is what it looks like. Just going to put some on the back of my hand. Doesn't smell of anything. I'm so confused. Eye cream for the face. I don't get it. Do you get that? I don't get it. So it says that 10 ml alone is worth £8.66, and if you get the 30 ml product, that is worth £26. So it says the elixir of youth. This face cream has all the benefits of a concentrated eye cream but can be used on your whole face. Brewed with peptides and vitamins, this lightweight gel balances out texture of your skin, providing intense hydration and making it firmer after just one use. Oh, that's a big claim. After just one use? Huh? I shall see. I will use that after my bath. Apply a thin layer before bed and you'll wake up with beautiful, youthful skin. It seems like sorcery. Well, Huns, you know I'm putting that on tonight, and if I don't wake up with beautiful, youthful skin, it's going to be murders. The next product that we got again is another sample size. This is by Ell Xx, and this is a 7ml product. This is the Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Now, I've heard people talk about this. I used to love Ell Xx. It's not that I don't love it. There was a shop in Liverpool and now there's not. And your girl ain't all that much of an online shopper. I would rather go to the shop and see things and try things. But yeah, this is how it looks. Oh, it's like it's like jelly. So I imagine that this Ell Xx, I don't think they do skincare, I think it's all makeup related. So I imagine that you put this on before your makeup to get gorgeous radiant skin and then apply your foundation on top. So it says that that mini alone is worth £10, and if you do buy the 30ml product it is worth £34. It says part hydrator, part primer. Hydra Veil instantly hydrates and smooths skin through a self-leveling futuristic clear gel. We all know I'm not good with words. It says like microalgae or something. Vitamin C and B3 work together to help maintain your skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking balanced finish. Plant extracts also providing a calming and refreshing feeling, leaving skin fully prepped to apply your chosen foundation. So yeah, we put this on under makeup. I see that. That sounds like it's going to be good. So I will definitely be giving that a go the next time I put on my face, which will be tomorrow's. So I will give that a go and maybe I'll love it and end up having to buy the full size. That's what I hate with things like this. I'm like, I'm going to try things and I'm going to love them and then I have to buy them. The next thing we got is by a brand called Luna by Laura. Is that packaging not just goals? So cute. It says this is their Pixie lipstick, and again the packaging on the inside matches the outside. So when it says it's the Pixie lipstick, it quite literally means this is the shade Pixie. Okay, so this is the lipstick here. It doesn't look mattifying, but it is this gorgeous pinky colour. Okay, so that is a swatch of that colour there. It does have a sheen to it and it is this gorgeous pink colour. It's not too over the top, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I don't wear pink lipsticks all that much, but this is definitely pretty, so I'll definitely have to give that a go. I love it when we get makeup in boxes like this. Like skincare products, they're okay, they're cool, I'll use them, but it's makeup that gets me giddy. So that lipstick is actually worth £15. This lipstick is so luscious you'll think that it's being plucked right out of a fairy tale. Its smooth formula glides effortlessly onto your lips, covering them in a creamy and rich pigment that stays put for hours. Better yet, it won't dry, fade or settle into lip lines. Simply sweep it onto your lips for a plush looking princess worthy pout. Ooh, they some big claims, they some big claims. This is the thing, like honestly these booklets, they big these things up, so I hope that doesn't disappoint because I'm definitely going to put that to the test. Then we have, this is by the Beauty Crab. I've heard of these but I've never tried anything from them, and this is the Stargazing Blush Duo. Packaging again gorgeous, matches the theme of the box. Okay, so this is the packaging inside, this black packaging with gold writing. The shade I have is called Orient Glow, and it says this is a blush duo. Okay, I couldn't get into it this way where you meant to. I had to like peel the sides, but we are in. I don't know why I expected there to be a mirror here, but there isn't, and I'm okay with that. I don't mind too much. My room is covered in mirrors. So this is the blush duo. Honestly, these are my colours. I just had some technical difficulties. My foot went into cramp and I like, ew. And as I moved, my foot knocked the camera charger, which then made the camera fall onto me, and I had hold of the blusher, and naturally I have dug my finger right into it. But I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. I really like that colour. That's right up my street. I love that pink shade, and I already know that I'm going to love the other shade too. One thing I will say, packaging just feels flimsy, and now I've shut it I can't get it back open, But yeah, apart from the packaging, love that. So that actually retails for £18. It says, get ready to create spellbinding looks thanks to this duo of blushes, combining a matte hue with a shimmery shade. These velvety smooth pressed powders can be mixed and matched to create your desired entrancing effect. Sweep the matte formula onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush of colour, or apply the dazzling shade for a lit from within glow. And then finally, one thing they did put in here, and you're all going to be like, Ellie, you moaned when they did this last month. They put in a miniature little bar of chocolate. This is the new Cadbury bar. It's called Dark Milk. It's a blend of milk chocolate and dark chocolate. I hate dark chocolate. I mean, obviously I'm gonna eat it anyway, but I hate dark chocolate, so I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I'm not mad that they put this in this month, because this month was actually a good box. It wound me up last month because it was a really bad box, and then they just put a bar of chocolate in there, and I was just like, why? Like, why? You're trying to make me feel better about the fact I had a really bad box. But this month's box I'm so happy with, so I'm getting a little bar of chocolate with this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you did enjoy this box. Please let me know what version of the box you got. If you did get this one, the Enchanted Spirit, let me know if you got the same products that I did in mine, or if you just got different shades. I would love to know. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can hit the one down below, the one in the form of a heart over here, or you can wait till the end of the video and hit the one in the shape of my big face. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.